guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Thomas Artistry, Beauty by Thelma, whatever. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be giving you a very stunning look. I'm focusing mainly on my eyeshadow today, so if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the notification button so you get an alert whenever I post a video. That's that about that. Let's get into this. I've already done my eyebrow off camera because I didn't want it to take so much time. So I told you the major thing is my eyeshadow. So going in with my leopard concealer palette, I'll use it to coat my eyelid here. I'm using the white one so my eyeshadow will pop out more. So going in with my Blossom eyeshadow palette, I hope you can see it. Yeah? I'll be using these colors, this, and I think this here. So just watch me as I create this look. So I'm going in with the doll face first. So what I'm doing now is just packing the doll face in my crease. Well, it doesn't really need to be aligned. So you get the idea. Cut my crease with me. Jesus, this is going to be hard, but we overcome. So I'm going back in with the first color I used, that's the doll face. I'm going in here. Blend this in so it looks all natural, and then you don't know where it started and where it stopped. So make that place look really serious. You get? Can you see what it's looking like now? Up on that place. So this is what it's looking like. No, we still make it look more dramatic, but let me just get this side done like very fast. So this is what they are both. So let's get into the business of making this look more dramatic. I'll be using this eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner. A whole lot of people prefer using gels. Maybe yeah, gels. But then I'm not cut out for that. A liquid eyeliner will work just fine. So I'm trying to create like, see this leopard skin look or tiger skin look. It's just tiny something though. I can see tickets. Can you see? You can't really see it, but there's something there. I'll do another. Like, just make it really tiny, and then I go in with this. Look at this is what the brush is like. Can you see it? it's pointed, so it will get those areas. I'll go back in with my moon dust, and then you created like a circle, so you're literally dabbing it into those circles. It makes a huge difference. Using that other brush did not work out, so I'll be using this slanty brow line brush. Can you see it? Yeah. So I'll just be using the tip to get those parts. Mascara now. I honestly don't want to do lashes. I hope I skip that because I'm not even ready for it at all. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. What else? Subscribe to my channel. I need subscribers. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share. Thanks for watching. Yeah, if you watch to this point, you're the real G. Yeah, thank you.